In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to integrate Zendesk Chat on your website. If you find this useful, consider subscribing and liking the video. Let's get started with the first step. First, you'll want to navigate to your admin center. Start by logging into your Zendesk dashboard. Once you're in, look for the gear or cog icon in the left-hand panel. This takes you to the admin center. Just give that icon a click. Once you're in the admin center, the next step is to access the channel settings. On the left side admin pane, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Channels. Go ahead and click on that, and then select Messaging. This will bring you to the Messaging Settings screen, which is where all the fun begins. Next up, we need to select your web widget. So look for the section labeled Widget Setup. Here, you should see a list with your active or default web widget item. Simply click on it to open its configuration panel. This is where you can start customizing the chat settings for your website. After you have your widget selected, it's time to copy the installation code block, which is essentially the secret sauce for getting Zendesk Chat up and running on your site. In the Widget Settings workspace, scroll down a bit until you find the Installation tab. Click on that, and you'll see a unique JavaScript code snippet. Take a moment to click the Copy button to save that code to your clipboard. If you're working with a web development team, you can even use the options there to email it directly to them. Now it's time to embed this code into your website. Open your website's core source files using your preferred text or code editor. Navigate to the template file for the page where you want the chat to appear. This is usually a file ending in HTML. Once you're in the right spot, find the closing HTML body tag, which looks like this, body. You'll want to paste the copied Zendesk script block right before this tag. This ensures that your chat widget is loaded correctly when someone visits your website. Once you've embedded the code, the next step is to deploy and test the live chat. Save your changes and then reload your website in your browser. You should now see the interactive Zendesk chat widget icon appearing in the bottom corner of your live web page. If it's not showing up right away, give the page a refresh or double-check the code placement. Congratulations! You've just integrated Zendesk Chat into your website. But don't stop there. You can return to your Zendesk dashboard at any time to customize features, such as setting up auto responses or tweaking chat themes to match your site's branding. Thanks for following along. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If you have any questions or want to explore more features, feel free to ask in the comments below. And remember to subscribe and like the video for more content like this.